What's up, y'all? Today I am showing you how to make the most epic peri-peri sauce from scratch, and with that we're gonna make a beautiful spatchcock chicken. So let's get to it. The star of the show, peri-peri sauce, and what I want to do first is kind of get my onions and peppers charring on the grill, and then I'm just gonna let that do its thing. So what I want to do is add my chilies in here. I'm using a bit of bird's eye, a bit of serrano chilies. I think they have different flavor profiles. Smoked paprika, flavor, yumminess, deliciousness, awesomeness. Lemon juice, and then red wine vinegar as well. A big pinch of salt goes in, and then I'm gonna check on my veggies on the grill. Veggies are looking good, so I'm gonna take them off. All this yumminess goes into the blender as well. A touch of olive oil. So I'm just gonna let that bubble away while I show you how to spatchcock a chicken. All you need, a chicken, a pair of scissors. Flip it over so you expose the back, and then you take your scissors and then you just cut along the back side of the chicken. And you just want to get rid of the backbone. Save that bad boy for a yummy stock. Flip your chicken back over, give it a gentle press, get a little crack going, and that's it. Because I want my chicken to cook super evenly and quickly on the braai, I am going to slash it. And basically I'm just going to take my knife, sharp knife, and then cut through the meat, just like a centimeter in. The touch of olive oil. Then I'm gonna grab my braai grid and prep it in here, and then I'm gonna get my peri-peri sauce. Brush just to make sure that every little piece is covered, everyone gets a bit of love. Put them skin side down first onto the braai. I'm gonna grab a bit more sauce just for the other side. Fabulous! What is a braai without a garlic bread, right? So I've got my heated Ichia butter from Woolies, garlic butter that I've melted. So just like brush that all over the bread. Don't be shy. Share, share, share. Give as much as possible. Some mozzarella cheese that I've just sliced up, and then sun-dried tomatoes. Extra yumminess and umami and flavor. Put this guy on top and wrap it with foil, and then this goes onto your braai as well. We've got all this yummy extra sauce. What I'm going to do is add some coconut milk to make a extra dipping sauce for your chicken and your bread. So just coconut milk, and you just stir that in, and I put it back on the heat and let that bubble away. Okay guys, and everything is ready. Bit of sauce, the smokiness from the fire, the peppers are not too hot, it's got a bit of a sweetness. Chef's treats. Happy braai. Do it! Whoa.